To troubleshoot Absa Bank interest rates. Start by understanding the different types of interest rates offered by the bank, including fixed and variable rates, and how they apply to various accounts and loans. First, gather all relevant account information, including account statements and loan agreements, to determine the current interest rates applied to your accounts. Next, visit the Absa Bank website or consult with a bank representative to obtain the most up-to-date interest rate information. Compare the interest rates on your accounts with the current rates offered by the bank to identify any discrepancies. Check for any changes in interest rates that may have occurred due to market fluctuations or changes in your account status. If you find that your interest rate is higher than the current rate, contact Absa Bank customer service to request a rate review and potential adjustment. Be prepared to provide account information and explain your situation to facilitate the troubleshooting process. To avoid future interest rate issues, regularly review your account statements and stay informed about changes in interest rates. Consider setting up account alerts to notify you of any changes in your interest rates. Additionally, consult with a financial advisor to determine the best interest rate options for your specific financial situation and goals. By following these steps, you can effectively troubleshoot Absa Bank interest rates and ensure you are receiving the most competitive rates for your accounts and loans. It is essential to stay proactive and monitor your accounts regularly to avoid any potential interest rate issues and make informed decisions about your financial management.